Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Nohelani Graff with your most accurate forecast. We're going to see a big change from Saturday now. It will be sunny, it will be dry, but it's still going to be cold. Will be sunny through the afternoon until about 3 o'clock when more clouds start to build once again. We'll be in the mid-50s by lunchtime, and then we'll warm to the 60s, which is about where we'll top out. We do have some winds to talk about statewide today. Just very light breezes here in the valley, but in the high country, we're talking 10 to 15 miles an hour with occasional gusts around 30 miles an hour. In northeastern Arizona, those gusts could reach 35 miles an hour. Here's a look at those snowfall reports as of 3 o'clock Sunday morning. Snowbowl getting 11 fresh inches of powder. Flagstaff 5.5 inches. The Grand Canyon with a smaller amount, 1.5 inches, and that's the photo you see behind those snowfall totals. There's Show Low clocking in with just 1/2 inch. If you plan to head to the high country and enjoy all that fresh snowfall, keep in mind it will be sunny statewide. It'll be cool in Flagstaff at 35 degrees. Show Low will be the same. A little further to the south along the rim, we're talking mid to low 40s, and in the southern portion of our state, much like it will be here in Phoenix, mid 50s to low 60s. Overnight lows is where we get freezing cold statewide. There will likely be more freeze warnings in effect come tomorrow morning. We're talking teens in the high country, 20s along the rim, and here in the valley, we are going to dip into the 30s, which we have not seen in a while. East Valley forecast for today will be in the 60s and upper 50s in places like Mesa, Gilbert, and Chandler. Notice those overnight lows that we were talking about, mid 30s. Some of you even getting close to actual freezing at 30 degrees. In the West Valley, more 30s overnight, but first we warm to the 60s today, 61 in Goodyear, Avondale, Levine, 58 degrees if you're in Deer Valley. So sunny skies for today. Enjoy that. Mild temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow we see more clouds move in, but we remain in the 60s. Those overnight lows dip into the 30s tomorrow morning and again Tuesday morning. And then our afternoon highs will finally warm into the mid 70s by midweek. And then when we reach next weekend, another storm system rolls in, which will drop our temperatures back down into the 60s.